Refer to the owner's manual for clarification and more details on the processes shown in this video. Welcome to the Honda Power Equipment video on HRX lawnmower operation. In this video, we'll show you how to properly and safely operate your HRX2174HZA lawnmower. Check the data plate near the rear of your mower to make sure this video applies to your model. Always check the oil level before turning on your lawnmower. It should be at or near the full mark on the dipstick. HRX mower handlebars have 3 height settings. To change the height, support the handlebar and turn the lock knobs perpendicular to it. Move the handlebar to one of the available positions and then turn the lock knobs parallel to it. To prevent clogging your mower and brown patches in your grass, you should not cut off more than 1/3 of the total grass height in any one mowing session. The cutting height on HRX mowers can be adjusted to 7 positions, from 3/4 of an inch to 4 inches. To adjust the cutting height, pull the adjuster handles away from the mower and move them toward the front of the mower to raise the deck, or toward the rear of the mower to lower the deck. Make sure all 4 adjusters lock into the same setting. The clip director on HRX mowers can be set to any one of 10 positions. It lets you choose mulch, bag, mulch and bag, or discharge the grass clippings. You can select any setting without any tools or attachments. Mulching cuts the grass into smaller pieces that fall through the turf and decompose quickly. To mulch the clippings, press down on the clip director knob and move it to the mulch position. Then lift the discharge guard and remove the grass bag. Bagging captures the grass clippings for a more manicured lawn appearance. To bag the clippings, press down on the clip director knob and move it to the bag position. Lift the discharge guard and set the hooks of the bag frame into the slots, and then lower the discharge guard. The clip director positions between mulch and bag to allow you to bag and mulch to varying degrees depending upon the position of the lever. The closer the clip director knob is to the mulch position, the more grass that will be mulched. The closer the clip director knob is to the bag position, the more grass that will be bagged. Choose the position you want then lift the discharge guard and set the hooks of the bag frame into the slots, then lower the discharge guard. To discharge the clippings, press down on the clip director knob and move it to the bag position. Lift the discharge guard and remove the grass bag, then lower the discharge guard. When you mow, the clippings will come out behind the mower and fall on the grass. Your mower has a yellow blade control button, blade control lever, drive clutch lever, key switch and battery box for electric start, orange shift lever, black throttle lever, and a backup recoil starter grip. To start your mower, turn the fuel valve on and move the black throttle lever to the fast position. With all other controls and levers released, turn the key switch to start. When the engine starts, release the key. If the battery does not have enough charge to start the engine, turn the key switch to the run position, pull lightly on the recoil starter grip until you feel resistance, and then pull briskly. The HRX2174 HRX2174HZA does not have a plug-in battery charger. It has a charge coil that charges the battery when the engine is running, like the alternator on your car charges the battery. To engage the cutting blades, make sure the throttle is in the fast position. Press and hold the yellow blade control button, then quickly push the blade control lever to the handlebar. Once the blades are spinning, you can release the yellow blade control button. If you need to stop the cutting blades at any time, for any reason, just release the blade control lever and the blades will stop turning. The drive clutch lever engages the transmission, and the orange shift lever sets the speed of the lawnmower. With the engine running and the cutting blades engaged, press and hold the drive clutch lever against the handlebar. Then move the orange shift lever forward until you reach a speed that is comfortable for you. You can adjust your speed while mowing by partially releasing the drive clutch lever. When the lever is against the handlebar, the mower travels at the speed set by the orange shift lever. The more you release the drive clutch lever, the slower the mower goes. When you need to move something out of the way or empty the grass bag, release the drive clutch and the blade control levers, then move the black throttle lever to slow. Move the item out of your way or remove the grass bag to empty it. To begin mowing again, move the throttle to the fast position, press and hold the yellow button down, and quickly push the blade control lever to the handlebar. Then push the drive clutch lever to the handlebar to move the mower forward again. When you are finished mowing or want to stop the engine, release the drive clutch and the blade control levers, move the black throttle lever to slow, and turn the key switch off. Always turn the fuel valve off anytime the lawnmower is not in use. Thank you for choosing Honda lawnmowers. Refer to the owner's manual for clarification and more detail on the processes shown in this video. For additional resources, visit us at powerequipment.honda.com.